Hey guys, it's Jerry Middleman Battaglia. I do have a find for you. I'm out here in Citrus Springs, Florida, driving down the street. I happen to see this amazing car. Guys, check this out. 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Regal blue over ivory. Car is a two-owner car. It's got a 383 stroke motor in it, the power glide transmission, all upgraded suspension, all Wildwood brakes all around, forward disc brakes. This car is awesome. The owner of this car is actually the owner of this repair shop, and he allowed me to take a look at it and walk around and film it. Car is awesome. He has a huge car collection. Guys, this one's really, really nice. He's a great driver. He enjoys driving it. Told me about all the local car shows here. Real car guy. He owns over 50 cars. If you like this video, please like and share it. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button on the right hand corner. Guys, thank you so much. I love all the comments that you guys have been giving me. I'm going to go out and try to find another Tri-5. This is pretty awesome. Have a great day. Jerry Middleman Battaglia.